Hey, Wendell. How are you?
I'm good.
The old craft store was founded originally in 1971 as a craft store, but 30 years ago the owner decided to change it to a quilt store. Besides offering quilts, fabrics, and quilting classes, the old craft store has also housed the local post office since it became a quilt store. However, to many of the people in downtown Carrollton, the old craft store means a lot more to them than just a quilt store or a post office.
It is important to downtown Carrollton because it's a staple here. Besides, everybody from the neighborhood comes to the post office here. So it's very important to the entire city and to the region of downtown Carrollton.
It's more than just quilting. It's more than that. It's a community. It's people who come together to talk about, like you said, you use the word passion, that's what it is. But it's more than that even. People come here and sometimes we're the psychologist, we're their priest, their doctor, whatever, you know, we're their friends. And some of the people have been coming here for over 20 years. So it's a family.
And right now the old craft store has its kids camp going on, where kids can pick out their own fabric and learn how to quilt. But besides the store being so important for kids and adults alike, the little quilt store reaches far beyond the walls in which the quilts are made.
Susan makes quilts for a program called Love Thy Baby, which is they donate quilts to kids in the hospital who are ill, and I work through the guild to give quilts to kids who are homeless or displaced for whatever reason. So it's like I said, it's all part of that community idea.
For reporter Lauder DeSantis, I'm Dalton Reck reporting for the Gloria Shields Workshop.